If you check it out over here, we are going to get the complete list of orders, and we are going to get the complete list of categories over here. Then I'm going to create the key and map for the category revenue. For each orders, I'm going to get the order item, and I'm going to figure out what is the on what category that order item is it's been. If we do have the category, then we are finding it revenue. Then we are mapping that revenue with that specific category, and we are generating the data. So category revenue is being mapped by using the category name, on what name, and for each name we are finding out the revenue and we are mapping it over here, just like the same way what we did for these two status over here, right? So save these changes, and all these codes are all being already successfully shared, so you can access it from there in the gist folder, so you don't have to worry about it. So this time what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy and paste this. This is going to be get order payment status by order total revenue by category, revenue by category. I'm going to supply this to where revenue by the category over here. So now we should be able to see the revenue by category wise, on which category we are making the huge sales, so that you can focus on that specific category wise, so which is going to be work smoothly, right? Then at last we have only one more thing, so I'm just going to copy this, I'm going to paste it, and this time this is going to be order status. Order status wise, we're gonna bring the revenue. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that now. So what I'm going to do is just exactly, so I'm just going to copy and paste it one more time. Then I'm just going to say get total revenue by order statuses. Okay, so this time this is going to be based on the order status. We are just going to change the few of the stuffs over here. Okay, now we are going to get the orders, and we are going to get the status revenue. Okay, and we, instead of fixing paid and not paid, we are just fixing the processing, delivering, delivered, and everything. Then we are mapping these total revenues over here. Just exactly the same, but the mapping is just going to be different. Apart from that, everything is going to be exactly the same what we did on the very first one. So here I'm just going to say this, copy this and paste it. This time it's going to be get order status total revenue by order status. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to supply it over here, revenue by order status. Now you should be able to see the revenue by order status over here, processing, delivering, and delivered, and everything, right? So billboards, categories, and everything is successfully added, and now all we have to do is to go ahead and deploy this project straight away into your vessel, and that's what we are going to do next.